y'all, welcome back to another video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in again. Today I'm going to show y'all how I achieved this look. I actually got this from a fellow YouTuber named Miss Woo Glam. I will link her video down below. It was all her idea that I got this inspiration from, so shout out to her. I started off with the Freetress braid crochet hair that I got from my local beauty supply store, and this cute little pink turban that I also got from the beauty supply store, which was like $1.99, wasn't much at all. And of course, you're gonna need your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. And you want to start off with the turban turned inside out in order to achieve this look. And as you can see, I went back in and I added a plastic bag or cap or something up underneath the turban. Make sure you do that. You don't want your cap to get stuck to the canvas. So now I'm just going in along that second seam above the very first seam. That's what I'm going to use as a guideline. So when you're doing this, you can definitely use all of those stitches and seams that's in your turban. You can definitely use those as a guide as to where to place your braids. So as you can see, I am gluing them kind of close together. I want to go in and do about 2 layers because I figured, you know, 1 layer would just be way too thin. So in order to get a fuller, prettier look, in my opinion, yeah, I'm going in with 2 layers. So I do want to start off gluing them pretty close together. So now as I'm wrapping up that very first layer of braids, I'm going to stop the braids right at the temple area of the cap. You could bring the braids around further along the front of your face, but as for me and my preference, I'm going to stop at the temple part, and then I'm going to start on my second layer. So now that I've got a front view of everything, I see that we're both symmetrical on both sides with the braids. I'm going to start on my second layer, and I'm just going to take it right to the very next seam right above. So yeah, nothing too difficult. So now that I'm down to like 4 or 5 more strands left, I'm just going to go back in with those few strands of braids, and I'm going to fill in any of those empty gaps and spaces that you may see. So there we have it. I know I started off with the pink turban at first, but the glue actually seeped through it, so I went back in with the black turban. And this is our final product. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. It was very fun, you know, recreating this look. And again, shout out to Miss Woo Glam for this inspiration, because it's so cute, so convenient, and I think all of my ladies should get into it for this summer. Thank y'all.